Sometimes dili na to ma-imagine ba nga, sa kay unod sa impyerno ka lang, what does it look like? Unsa ang iyang design? Hell is filled with real people. People nga niadto pug eskwelahan, people nga gipanganak pod, people nga nakatrabaho pod, pero wala gidawat si Jesus sa sulod sa ilang kasing-kasing. When they face God one day, the words they will hear is depart. Depart. And the sad reality is, maybe many of us, when we all face God one day, nag-expect na moingon si Jesus, well done, my good and faithful servant. But we would hear the opposite. Why? Because we trusted in our works. Why? Because we trusted in our attendance. Why? Because we trusted in religion and we forgot to put our faith in Jesus. We trusted in the religious things. We trusted in our own good works. We trusted in the things na murag tama sa imong pananaw, but in the end, it leads to death. Many people end up in hell questioning why. Kaya abi nila ginabuhat nila ang tama, pero dili na di ay mao. That's why we need to dig deeper in the Word, because the Word points us to truth. The Word points us to life. The Word points us to righteousness. And maybe daghang mga tao nga pag mo face sa Ginoo ang ilang madunggan is depart. Depart.